Hi, I'm Yunshin, founder of MARKHUB. We are redefining the modern workspace as a place where humans and AI agents seamlessly collaborate. And it's called MARKHUB. What you're watching real now is a real hub core between me and our CTO Jane. While we talk, the agent in the background is already working, taking note, extracting tasks, and assigning owner. Let me actually have an example meeting with Jane, and you will see everything happen in real time. Hi Jane, what's the biggest issue today?
The node format on mobile. The aspect ratio breaks at certain width, so it looks awkward between desktop and mobile. Then anything else you want to cover?
Just the watch demo video and founder video. We need both, ready for the deadline.
Then let's wrap those up and head to SF.
Yeah, why not? Sounds good. Ending the call. Thank you.
Thank you.
The hub call just ended. A note has been generated automatically, summarizing the conversation we just had. This worked the same way for offline meeting, just by recording. The note is in markdown format. Note-taking by itself is nothing new. Author, Granular, Notion AI, all do this. What's difference is what happens next. MARKHUB creates a task ticket from this conversation. Every status change, every edit, every comment is tracked, and it can sync one-to-one with GitHub, Slack, or Notion. Hi Jane, it's your turn.
Here's where it gets really powerful. We can summon agents called clones directly into this ticket. Let me show you. Type add and select the appropriate clone and assign the task. Then the clone picks up the task and processes it and reports back inside the ticket's comments. No context switching, no new tab, no prompt engineering. And this marquee, make plan first, and then inject this plan to the designer clone. And there is also other kind of clone. This is the results of this task. So what this orchestration mechanism unlocks is significant. Right now, we are using clones for coding and design tasks. In the same way, we can build clones for infrastructure engineer, data quality specialist, QA tester, customer support reps, and in-house lawyer, wherever a knowledge worker performs a repetitive role. And every clone learns continuously. The more it works inside a hub, the more team-specific knowledge it accumulates. And this clone aren't locked inside MARKHUB. The clone API can be deployed externally, embedded in a website like a chat widget, or run as a standalone app. All interaction made through the clone API are summarized and locked back into this hub. When deployed externally, we charge usage fees. When you create them inside MARKHUB, you only pay your MARKHUB subscription. That's our business model.
Okay, thank you, Jane. It was great presentation for demo. So everything you watched, the meeting, the note, the ticket, the clone execution, all happened inside MARKHUB. This demo itself was built and recorded using MARKHUB's hub core. The era of one human prompting, one AI is ending. We are building the workspace where multiple humans and multiple AI agents collaborate as one team. Slack, Notion, Jira were built for human, coordinating with human. MARKHUB is built for what comes next. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.